Good evening, children. Good evening, dear parents. How are you all? It's been a really long time, and hope you're safe. Hope you're at home, and welcome to Gayatri Auntie's story for all. So, shall we start with a cute little song as we always do? Okay. One, two, three. Will you all join me in my story time? Will you all join me in my story time? Will you please? It's interesting, it's not boring. I am sure you won't be snoring. Will you all join me in my story time? It is looking time, it's also listening time. Look and listen. It is laughing time, it's also learning time. Laugh and learn. It is time to have so much of fun. I want to share it with everyone. Will you join me in my story time? Will you? Yeah, I'm so glad you'll join me in my story time. So today's story is from the alphabet A. The Angry Ant. Okay? The Angry Ant. That is the name of the story. The Angry Ant by Susan Perro. Once again, the safari ants were on the move. They were trying to march and go. The short rains had started, and their ant home was no longer a safe place. The home they were staying was no longer warm. In fact, it was filling up with water. Blub, 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 blub. Water was fast filling up their homes. So what do? We have to shift and go somewhere else. The safari ants were now in search of another home which was higher and drier. A little Siafu was at the end of all the ants in the line, struggling to keep up the march and the line. Ahead of her, the others all were marching one by one. And the line was so long, it seemed to go on and on. Come on, called her friend. Siafu, don't be lazy, don't be slow. Come fast. To help her come fast, they all started singing. Left, right, the ants go marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. Left, right, the ants go marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. Move aside, here come the ants. Move to the left, move to the right, here come the ants. Left, right, the ants come marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. They were singing this, and they were marching and going. Here are the ants marching and going, one after the other. Little Siafu was trying to keep pace with them, but it seemed such a boring thing to do. Oh no, said Siafu. I am bored. What is this? Finally, she decided, I don't want to stay in this line anymore. I'm not going to be in the line. I don't want to stay in the line one more minute, she said angrily to herself. She had now become a very angry ant. See her? Boring. All of them marching left, right. What is this? No fun only. I'm not going to be in this line. I just want to stop and sit and do something else. I'm going to play on a drum or a rock. Little Siafu sat down. She found a rock. She sat down and started to beat time on one of the rocks on the stones at the edge of the track. It felt so good because all her boredom and anger came out. Tum ta dum ta tum ta dum ta tum ta dum ta tum tum ta tum tum tum. With her tiny hands on that small stone, Siafu was trying to tap. Like that she was tapping. I am tired of having to walk in line. I am sick of having to keep in time. I just want to sit in the sun and have some fun. I just want to sit in the sun and have some fun. I just want to sit in the sun and have some fun. Siafu was singing this on and on and on. And as she sang and as she played on the stone like a drum, the ants kept marching ahead of her one by one until they disappeared over the hills. They one by one marched. Hoorah! Hoorah! Here we come marching. Move to the left, move to the right. Here we come marching. Hoorah! Hoorah! Here we go marching. Hoorah! Hoorah! They all left. Now Siafu was all alone. None of the ants were with her. But not for long. Now who came there? There was another insect, a cricket, that came and saw Siafu. Cricket is another insect. Yes, like the ant. The ant is an insect. It's not a bird. It's not a fish. It's an insect. Cricket also is an insect. Now, the little cricket flew into the bush nearby. Play and dance with me, called out little Siafu. And the cricket started to make music through the leaves in the bush. But it was far too loud. Little Siafu cried out angrily, "Go away, leave me alone. You are far too loud for me to play with you. Go away." She shooed away the cricket. Once again, little Siafu was all alone. "Oh, I'm feeling a little bored," said Siafu. But not for long. Why? Now came a tortoise, a green color tortoise, slowly walking, walking, one foot at a time, one foot at a time, slowly walking, smiling and walking, looking here and looking there, looking in the front and looking down, slowly walking, always a smile and never a frown, slowly walking, looking here and looking there, looking up and looking down, always a smile and never a frown, slowly walking, walking and walking came the tortoise. "Now, play and dance with me," called out little Siafu. And the tortoise lifted his head and started to slowly move from side to side. Slowly walking. "Oh my God," said Siafu. "Go away. Let me be alone. You're too slow for me to play with you. Come on. Is this the way you walk every day? Is this the way you dance every day? Oh, that's terrible." Off went the tortoise. Again our little Siafu was all alone. But not for long. A golden weaver bird, landed on a tree nearby. "Play and dance with me," called out little Siafu. The weaver bird started to flit and dance from branch to branch. He flew from branch to branch so fast. Now what did Siafu say? "Go away, you bird. Leave me alone. You are too fast for me to dance and spend time with you." Gone. Again Siafu was all alone. But not for long. Along came trumpeting a nice cute baby elephant. Yes. Now when Siafu asked the elephant to play and dance with him, the elephant started to tromp and dance. Okay? Now Siafu was an ant. He was too small. The elephant is an animal. Even the baby elephant is very, very big. Okay? Go away and leave me, said Siafu. You're too big to play music with me. So off went the elephant. Once again, little Siafu was all alone, sitting on that stone and playing on her drum. Dumaka dumaka dum dum, dumaka dumaka dum dum, dumaka dumaka dum dum. How long can he play alone? No, she'll feel bored, no? How long can she do that? Soon she found herself singing a different song. I wish I could walk with my friends together. I wish my friends and I be together. I don't want to sit alone under the sun. It's so boring. It's not fun. It's very boring. I'm not having fun. It's very boring. I'm not having fun. I feel sad. Suddenly she stood up, picked up her shiny stone drum, and started to walk along the path where her friends had gone. They had marched and gone. Faster and faster, Siafu walked, crossed one hill and another hill and another hill until she saw all her friends coming in a line. Yes? And they were all going over another hill. Little Siafu was so happy. I can see all my friends. They're all there. And she started going so fast and joined them again. And now she was walking at the end of her long line. She was playing her stone drum. Dumaka dumaka dum. Dum dum dum. Hoorah, hoorah. Here the ants come. Dumaka dumaka dum. Dum dum dum. Move to the left, move to the right. Here we ants come. She was so happy to march the drum and join them because now she was not angry ant. Yes, she had given up her anger. No use, because if we keep on being angry, we'll end up being alone. No need. We should always have fun with family, with friends, with everyone together. And now all the ants went marching again. The ants go marching one by one, one by one, one by one. The ants go marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, one by one, one by one. The ants go marching one by one, one by one. So that was the story of the angry ant who suddenly felt alone and then decided, I'm not going to be angry. I'm going to be smiling and happy. Okay? So all of you, my dear children, don't get angry, don't get upset. I know you won't get upset, okay? Whatever is it, you try to communicate it, tell it to your parents, your mama or papa, or your big sister, or your big brother, or your grandfather, or your grandmother, your uncle or your aunt, whoever big person is there with you, and never be sad, okay? I'll come again with another nice story. Until then, stay safe, stay at home, eat healthy food, and keep smiling. Bye.